Hi, this is the Bachukunta Lake in the Chandanagar area of Hyderabad. This is once a very pristine lake, and it exceeds for a couple of acres. As usual in any other place in India, the place has been occupied by the land sharks and a lot of illegal encroachments. You can see the apartments there. You can see the green patch. This is just the part of the lake that is left today. The rest of it is gone. With a lot of encroachment, corrupt bureaucrats, and the municipal authorities, they connive together to spoil the environment and eat up all the natural and ecological systems we have in this beautiful country. So today, from the Soul and the It's Time to Make a Difference group, we actually have started cleaning up this lake. There is a lot of resistance from the local realtors who want to, grab this piece of land. See this beautiful place. It's a beautiful. It's spread over a couple of acres. It's just been eaten up by by all the realtors. Today we have the municipal corporation employees helping us clean up this. There is a Right to Information Act that has been loaded. So this is the Bachukunta Lake. It's almost gone. It's almost gone, and I think it's the right intervention we are doing today to protect this piece of lake. So if you look at Hyderabad today, in and around the city, a lot of lakes have been eaten up by the realtors, in connivance with all the corrupt municipal corporation employees. And I think, and that's the reason we need to digitize the whole landscape of our cities and protect the green areas, so-called lung areas. Otherwise, we see these illegal structures like this apartment coming on the shores of this lake. I'm sure that all the approvals have been cooked up. I think there's a lot of work we need to do, and this is an effort, in this direction to actually protect our lakes. We'll be doing more of this in the future, and I think today in India we have an opportunity to raise a voice with the social networking gaining prominence without fear of the authorities getting behind your back. We can do a lot of stuff, and I urge all youngsters and concerned citizens to take action in their local communities, and you can reach out to ITMD for any help on this regard. Thank you. It's just a large area. You see the apartments around this lake. No one knows if it's how legal are these constructions. Okay. Right. Thank you.